The camera industry just hit a breaking point, and Sony just threw the heaviest punch we've seen in a decade. For years, the ultra-premium compact market felt like a comfortable two-horse race between the Leica Q series and Fujifilm X100 series, with each brand refining its philosophy but never truly disrupting the space. That balance has now been shattered. The silence that surrounded Sony's compact full-frame ambitions has finally been broken, and the return comes with a statement so bold that it forces everyone to pay attention. Today we're diving deep into the ghost that has finally returned, the Sony RX1R III. This isn't just a product refresh or a minor iteration designed to keep a lineup alive. Sony has essentially reimagined what it means to carry a full-frame camera in your pocket. If you've been relying on your smartphone or even a bulky mirrorless system and thinking you've already reached the peak of convenience and quality, this camera challenges that assumption in a big way. What Sony has done here sits right on the edge between brilliance and risk, and depending on how the market reacts, it could redefine their entire strategy moving forward. Let's be honest for a moment. The original RX1 lineup wasn't for everyone, and it never tried to be. It was a cult classic, a camera that photographers bought when they wanted uncompromising image quality without the burden of carrying multiple lenses or a heavy kit. It represented purity in a way that few cameras ever have. But after the previous generation, the lineup went quiet. For years, there were no updates, no major rumors, nothing but speculation. Many assumed Sony had quietly retired the concept. Instead, they were waiting, refining, and building toward something far more advanced. At the core of this machine lies its most impressive feature, a 61-megapixel back-illuminated sensor that pushes the boundaries of what a compact camera can achieve. This isn't just about resolution for the sake of marketing. It's about flexibility. With around 15 stops of dynamic range, the level of detail captured is extraordinary. You can shoot wide, crop aggressively, and still retain enough information for professional-grade output. For travel and street photographers, this essentially gives you multiple focal lengths without ever changing lenses, which fundamentally alters how you approach composition. What truly elevates the experience, though, is the processing power behind the sensor. Sony has paired it with their latest BIONZ XR engine and, crucially, a dedicated AI processing unit. This is where things start to feel futuristic. Autofocus is no longer just about detecting contrast or recognizing an eye. The system understands subjects in a much deeper way. It can identify human poses, track movement patterns, and even recognize animals, birds, insects, and vehicles with remarkable accuracy. Imagine walking through a crowded city street, trying to capture fleeting moments as they unfold. The camera doesn't just react, it anticipates. It holds focus even when your subject is partially obscured, moving unpredictably, or turning away from the frame. The decision to stick with a fixed 35 f2 lens might seem conservative at first glance, but it's actually one of the camera's greatest strengths. This lens has been engineered specifically for the sensor, optimized down to microscopic tolerances to ensure edge-to-edge sharpness and minimal distortion. The result is an image that feels cohesive and natural, with beautifully rendered bokeh and stunning clarity. Rather than chasing wider apertures, Sony focused on perfecting the balance between sharpness, size, and usability. And with the added crop modes that simulate 15 and 17 perspectives, the camera becomes far more versatile than its fixed lens might suggest. Physically, the RX1R III is a masterclass in design efficiency. Built from a magnesium alloy chassis, it feels incredibly solid while remaining compact enough to slip into a jacket pocket. One of the most notable changes is the removal of the pop-up electronic viewfinder. In its place is a fixed, high-resolution OLED viewfinder integrated directly into the body. This not only improves durability by eliminating moving parts, but also makes the camera faster to use in spontaneous situations. The rear touchscreen further enhances usability, making navigation through Sony's traditionally complex menus far more intuitive. Another long-awaited addition is weather sealing. This might seem like a small upgrade, but it fundamentally changes how the camera can be used. Previous models felt delicate, almost like luxury objects meant for controlled environments. Now, the RX1R III can handle light rain, dust, and more demanding conditions, making it a true everyday carry for professionals who don't want to compromise on quality regardless of the environment. On the video side, while this isn't positioned as a cinema camera, it still delivers impressive performance. It supports 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second with 10-bit 4.2 internal capture, along with professional color profiles like S-Log3 and S-Cinetone. The absence of in-body image stabilization might raise eyebrows, but given the size constraints, it's understandable. Instead, Sony relies on advanced electronic stabilization and gyro data, which can be used in post-production to achieve smooth, stable footage. Battery life has also seen meaningful improvements. Compact cameras have always struggled in this area, but Sony has optimized power efficiency to deliver noticeably longer shooting times. Combined with USB-C power delivery, which allows for fast charging and even on-the-go power from portable banks, the camera becomes far more practical for extended use. So who is this camera really for? It's clearly not aimed at the average consumer. This is a tool for photographers who value simplicity, portability, and uncompromising image quality above all else. It's for those who already own larger systems, but want something that delivers a similar level of performance without the bulk. It's for street photographers who need to remain discreet while capturing moments with precision and depth that smartphones simply cannot replicate. Ultimately, the RX1R III is more than just a camera. It's a statement about what photography can still be in an age dominated by computational imaging. It proves that there is still a place for dedicated hardware, for carefully engineered optics, and for the kind of image quality that only a full-frame sensor can deliver. It challenges photographers to embrace limitations, to work within a single focal length, and to rediscover the art of composition. The real question is whether this philosophy resonates in today's market. Does a fixed lens feel restrictive, or does it provide a sense of creative freedom? Does the integration of AI enhance the experience, or does it remove some of the human element that makes photography special? Whatever your answer, one thing is certain. Sony has reignited a conversation that many thought was over.